Welcome to Commerce Academy. Today my topic is accounting equation. What is accounting equation? Accounting equation is also called balance sheet equation, in which show the relationship between assets, liability and capital. In accounting equation, every transaction has two effects. One is debit and other is credit. The form of accounting equation is assets is equal to liability plus capital. So now we solve an example. You easily understand how to make accounting equation. So 2005 June 1st, Mr. Ali started business with cash 1 lakh. Means Mr. Ali start a business with cash 1 lakh. Date 2005 June 1st. Cash 1 lakh. And capital, one effect assets increase and other under equity 1 lakh. So it's first transaction record cash and capital. So second transaction is purchase furniture for cash 4,000. 5 June furniture is an our assets and for cash. One asset increase and other asset is decrease. Furniture is our asset and cash is also our asset. Furniture come means furniture buy and increase furniture. So it's asset furniture increase 4,000 and cash paid cash. So cash decrease 4,000. So now past in furniture. Furniture 4,000 and paid cash less 4,000. So now for 1 lakh minus 96,000. 96,000 and 400 same and 4,000 same and 1 lakh. This is balance sheet. Balance sheet. Now third one is 6th June. Purchase goods on credit RS 25,000. Means he buy goods on credit. Goods increase and other one liability also increase on credit. So now is make a transaction purchase merchandise. Merchandise, goods, purchases, anyone you mention here. $25,000 and other one liability are increased, so it's recorded here. So now 96,000 same, 4,000 same, 25,000 same, 25 and 1 lakh. Balance sheet. So next है 12 June sold goods for cash 15,000. Goods sold for cash 15,000 costing Rs 11,000. Means he sells the goods for cash 15,000. That goods by 11,000. So means on 12 June. 12 June 15,000. Cash received 15,000. Add increase cash and goods sold 11,000 costing. So 11. 4,000 our is profit, so it's included in capital. Means 15,000 cash received, good costing minus, so other 4,000 profit add in capital. That is this is also called compound entry because it's more than two accounts involved, cash, goods and capital. So balances are 96, 1,11,000, 4,000 and 20, 14,000. So next one is 20 and other one is 1 lakh. So next one is 28. Cash paid to creditor. Means cash paid to creditor. Cash paid. Cash paid, when we paid cash are decreased, cash is our asset, so it's decrease minus 9,000. And paid to creditor, so our liability also decrease, so it's account payable. AP stand for account payable. Minus. One lakh, 2,000, 4,000 and 14,000 and now 16,000 and 1 lakh and 4,000. So next one, 30 June, paid rent. 30 June, paid rent 4,000. When we paid expense, so it's effects on in cash and capital. It's the expense of business. So it's 4,000, reduce the owner equity 4,000 minus and minus 4,000. So it's 1 lakh. 15,000 and 14,000, 4,000 and 98,000. That is our balance. So next transaction is paid salary. Salary is also expense. It also affects on cash and honor equity. On 30th salary 2,000 minus 2,000 and minus 98, 16,000 and 14, 496. Balance sheet. So it's our balance sheet. So now assets is equal to L stand for liability, C stand for capital. Assets 96 and for 1 lakh and 14,000 1 lakh and 1 lakh means 1,14,000 assets and 1,40,000 are assets plus liability plus capital. So we solve a accounting equation. You must be now understand the accounting equation, how to make accounting equation in this lecture. And next lecture I also solve an example on front of you, so that you any confusion, if you have any confusion, so that you solve that. And now you watch this lecture again and again, and if you have any problem, any misunderstanding, you can be asked question in next lecture. So I will be answer to you, and then we start a next question after giving the answer of your question. So thank you and goodbye.